What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, do you need the radar animation to create, let's say, for the opening video for your content? However, if you don't have any skill for create the animation and you need it fast, don't worry, because in this video I will show you the alternative. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that we will use here is the Meta AI, and here I am accessing it with my PC to get more spacious view. And also don't forget to do the login first with your, whether that from the Instagram or Facebook account, because still this Meta have the relation or still in one management. And after that, you can simply open this Meta AI, and you'll see this is the home page of this Meta AI. It's quite simple. However, you can also directly to create the animation you want. Not only the animation, but it will also help you to ask or answer you about the general information, or maybe create the picture. And for example, since we would like to create the radar animation, here I will type the simple prompt: create the radar animation. The look will be in green hint, usually used for the submarine, for example. And after that, you can continue to click run or enter into your keyboard and kindly wait for the result over here. Usually this Meta AI will give you 4 outputs over here, and also it will create it into the 5 seconds video or 5 seconds animation, and you can also expand it into 9 seconds. And our radar animation is almost done, and kindly wait for the result. And of course, you can make sure that the connection is good so that the generation process can run smoothly. And for example, I will select this one. Oh, isn't that cool, right? See, this is the first one. And for example, I will select this one. Okay, this one, it's kind of give you the look of the contour, let's say, of the mountain, and this is the radar. And what if we create it? This is the another radar, and let's see the last one. And this is the look of the another radar. Which one do you prefer, guys? And if you would like to, let's say, choose this one, so you can start to, let's say, download it. And don't worry, because this animation can be also extended or can be extended. And kindly wait for the process, and you can go back a little bit, and this is the process to extend the animation from 5 seconds to become 9 seconds, guys. So if you find another AI or tool that can help you to create this animation as good as this Meta AI, so you can also share us on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there and making the video in different version. And let's see the extended animation. As you can see, this is the 5 seconds, and this one is the 9 seconds. And you can also simply download it. So that's all guys, I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.